actually is up for sale. So that does mean I need a new car. I saw it and I was like, yeah, gotta get that. Oh my god, there's a Fiat 500. Oh, and a little Micra. Brilliant. Seatbelts. There we go. Let's go. Hello, this is Jake, and you join me today in my 1999 BMW Z3. So, you know me enough to know I like going to Tintern Abbey. And that's why I'm taking the BMW Z3 today, because I've not actually been there yet in the Z3. So, I need to get some pictures of it outside the old Abbey and everything. And I thought, well, it's kind of sunny now, the rain's disappeared, and it's a good opportunity to go to Tintern Abbey. So yeah, I'm heading to Tintern Abbey. It's about a 20 to 30 minute drive depending on how fast you want to go really. The road is lovely, obviously I'll stick to the speed limit, but it's a Sunday afternoon. I ain't got anything else planned for the rest of the day. I'm going to take it there and take some photos, have a walk around, give you guys a bit of a tour, and yeah, go from there and just explain what's actually happening with the BMW Z3. We're in Tintern and we're just heading up to the Abbey now. There's actually some traffic lights, which wasn't here a couple of days ago when I brought Hugo. Close these windows, might get a bit of wind noise on the camera, and that is never good. So there's the old train bridge right there. People are looking at me like, what's that? You see the colour and they're a bit amazed because it is Fiji green after all. By the way, I don't know if you noticed in the back shot there when I was pulling off, but there's an old Citroen CV and I really want it. It's been there for years, just left abandoned. And I hate it when classic cars are abandoned. Oh my god, there's a Fiat 500. There is actually a Fiat 500. I've just seen a classic Fiat 500. I have no idea where he's going, but I'm going to find him. I don't know where he's gone. I think that was Elliot from Milani Cars. I might be wrong. But I just sent a Fiat 500. Now, I've actually been to a car show this morning and that Fiat 500 was there. But he's gone down there somewhere. I don't want to be chasing him. I chased him last time and seen him in his Mustang. He looked like a right stalker. But anyway, let's concentrate what I'm doing today. Found it. I knew it went somewhere. I saw it turned on the road there. But there it is. Got a red interior and even baby seat in the back. Brilliant. Nice colour too. Suits it. It does suit it. Also, I like these wheels. Seems a lot lower than mine on the back end. But yeah, the paintwork is beautiful on this one. Got a wooden steering wheel in now as well, which is nice. Quarter panel windows open, sunroof, and then a little basket on the back. Same rack on the back as mine, but yeah, very nice. Wow, how about that? I did not expect to see a Fiat 500 driving today, especially a classic one. You see the new ones all the time. But so that's Elliot from Milani Cars. I do know him. It's where my bath come from, my 595 Competizione. It's just getting nice and breezy. It's actually really warm, but yeah, really nice. Didn't expect to see that on the way here, so I've had a quick look. I tracked it down. It's at the club. You can see the building behind me as it gets a bit windy. But yeah, let's head back to the Z3 because I have some news on the Z3. Some great news and some interesting news and some maybe worrying news. Yeah, anyway, I'll talk when I get back to the Z3. So I am walking across some old ruins, as you can see. I'm down here in Tintern, and the Abbey is right there. Look at that. It's a great place to come. Always nice to come down here when it's lovely and sunny like this, like it is today. It's not that cloudy here, but 20 minutes away in Cinderford it's very cloudy. But I have got the roof down now, and there's the Z3 over there. But yeah, there you go. So I'm going to let the traffic move and everything, and I'm open the park right over there, and we'll get a shot. But walking across these ruins, as you can see, we got my 1999 Fiji green Z3, which is up for sale. There you go. He had a good clean this morning, ready for the show. Got some dead flies on him, but it's pretty much clean. With the blue leather interior and the green piping. There you go. And a CD player that's on display. Also, you may or may have not noticed, I've now named the Z3 Suki, even though he's going to be going to a new owner. But there you go. Right, I'm constantly watching just in case that Fiat 500 comes across again, but there you go. It is still closed off to the public, which I know it was during COVID, but yeah, you can see the old fencing around and everything. There you go. The roof is completely gone, and I believe they filmed Iron Maiden's Can I Play With Madness here. I might be wrong on that, but please do correct me. There you go. But anyway, this is a car show, not a history show, and the Z3 is over there. Right, as I bake in the sun, I've just moved the Z3 to my left. You can see that, or right, whichever way you want to look at. Some ruins, some bikes leaving. Oh, and a little micro, brilliant. So I do like the car, I love the look of it. It is a really nice car, and I get the attention. You know, everyone, especially younger children, that don't know what it is. They look at it, it's like, well, it's BMW, but I've never seen one like that before. Then there's the colour. Everyone says about the colour and all that. So it is unique, I'll give them that. The colour is, well, it sold it to me. As soon as I saw the colour of this one, I was like, yeah, gotta have it, it's different. It'll fit in well with Hugo, which he did at the show this morning. But it's everything that come along with this car, unfortunately. And I don't mean the car side of things. The people who sold it to me, who ripped me off. And yeah, I'll talk about it one day. But I'm still in the process of sorting out, so I don't want to talk about it yet. But yeah, there she is. She is up for sale. So that does mean I need a new car. And I've been looking, I really have. And I may have found something, but you guys will have to wait and see. So, you can see it behind me now, right there. Fiji green, it stands out. So the car is up for sale. I haven't done as many videos on it as I would have liked. But I'm moving it on. It's a car I always wanted. I can't say I'm disappointed because I knew these things would be, it's what it'd be like to drive in that, but no, after going for my Porsche 911, it's just not been a great move. Looks are more important than what's under the bonnet. It's only 1.9. I wasn't interested in 3.2 or 2.8. I wanted 1.9 originally, but yeah. So it is moving on. I am getting rid of it, and I've actually put a deposit on something very nice. I can't wait to share that with all of you lot. But there we go, that's my 99 Z3. It's a lovely car, but she is on her way to, well, hopefully a new owner. If you guys are interested, do check out the link in the description to the eBay ad. Chances are the BMW is still going to be here when the new car comes. That does mean photos, of course, so I will be taking them both out, having photos, but the new car is I saw it and I was like, yeah, gotta get that. So I'll have more on the new car very soon, later at the end of the week. It's just having MOT and tyres done. And yeah, I can't wait to share that with you all. So there's the BMW Z3 again. Please remember to like and subscribe. And I'm leaving the Z3 family, unfortunately. But I want to say thank you to all the Z3 owners there who have helped me out and suggested things about central locking and a few other things like the repair on the car. So thank you all if you are watching this. So yeah, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.